Have you guys heard of the ant warriors? Nope, they're not real ants and not related to Ant-Man. In 2020, since the COVID-19 outbreak, the stock market in South Korea was attacked really hard. Institutional and foreign investors rushed to dump their tradable assets amid the COVID-19 crisis, but there were individual retail investors in the country looking for a jackpot. They were called ants or gaemi in Korean for their active trading style that resembles the image of hardworking, intelligent ants. Reminds you of Aesop's fable, The Ant and the Grasshopper, right? So this strong movement in South Korea's stock market by retail investors is recently named Donghak Ant Movement, just like the 1894 Donghak Uprising led by peasants who sought to overthrow feudalism and foreign influences in the late 19th century. Now let's see how these ants help the local stock market suffering from foreign capital outflows. In March, when the stock market highly fluctuated due to the COVID-19 shock, foreign investors dumped about 10 trillion won worth of Korean stocks. But it was reported that retail investors in the country bought nearly 9 trillion won worth of the stocks, which balanced out the selling and buying. As expected, the investors' number one preference stock was Samsung Electronics, which has seen its share price plummet 22.6% since South Korea confirmed its very first case of COVID-19 in January. While foreign investors dumped some 7.23 trillion won of Samsung shares from January to March, retail investors purchased 7.43 trillion won worth, which was 5 times more than stocks bought by institutional investors. Thanks to the ants, Samsung's stock price did not fall sharply despite the selling spree by foreigners and institutions. The recent popularity of SK Biopharm and Kakao Games public offering shares were also attributed by the Donghak Ants movement, and the same may apply to Big Ant Entertainment when they go public. Data suggests that individual investors in Korea are the most active traders in Asia, except for China. That's because of the ants' high trading volume, but the only downside would be their short-term profit and lack of consistency in investment strategy. But nowadays, the ants' long-term investment in blue-chip stocks like Samsung is increasing with the belief in the recovery of Korean economy.